these in. They were blacked out, but they had a clear lens, and they kind of stood out. So I found these other ones. They're the same exact ones, but they're smoked lens, so it's a little darker. So here's the basic function of them. I have the left blinker on. Kind of hard to see in camera, but they are sequential, and they look a lot cleaner in person. The camera kind of distorts it a little bit. It doesn't look as great, but I'm telling you, it really does look great. Looks really clean. The nice part is there's actually LEDs on the outside here, so you know it's not just on the side there. So people you're driving by can actually see where you're turning, you know, when you're changing lanes. I just think it looks really clean. You know, it's a simple thing. I think they were just under $100. So, you know, if that's something you're looking to do, I definitely recommend it. There's other brands out there. I think OLM. They're all the same, honestly. I think Subi Speed sells them for, I think, 120 bucks, or maybe a little bit more. I don't remember. But these were 90, I think 95 or something. I got them on eBay. They're exactly the same thing as with the ones Subi Speed sells. But I like these a little bit better just because of the smoked version. It just cleans it up a bit. Looks more OEM. That's one of the things I loved about the stock ones. They were smoked basically, and they really kind of blended into the mirror, and you couldn't really see them until they were on. And when I did the clear ones, kind of just stood out a little bit too much. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, just let me know. You can put it in the comments below, and I'll definitely answer them. I'll give you the link of where I got them if you need them. And yeah, I got a couple other mods coming in, so I'll make some videos on that, and I'll catch you in the next one.